Every operations team has a gap between what they know and what they can build. Equipment OS and Opsiforce are the two halves that close it. One knows your operation, one builds anything. Imagine asking, which cranes break down again within 48 hours of a repair? And what does it cost? Normally, you get rejections. It's not a standard report, and the BIQ is 6 weeks long. Or you're stuck exporting to Excel again. But half the answer already exists. Equipment OS has been logging every event for years, capturing status changes, meters, work orders, and field updates from Teams and WhatsApp in real time. To get the rest of the answer, you just type that exact question into Opsiforce. It reads the live data stream and turns your sentence into a custom RainShift failure analysis app, instantly isolating your worst performing crane and the exact cost of the downtime. Instead of living in a separate silo, this new app pins directly into your Equipment OS sidebar. Same screen, same login. As new questions come up, they convert into pin tools, forming a fast, continuous loop where you ask a question today and deploy the solution by lunch. Equipment OS and Opsiforce, the platform that knows, the builder that ships.